Gucci slides are... They suck, okay? So don't waste your dang money on that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Love K-Ray, and before I start the video, I just want to say I make videos every single week on Thursdays, so please subscribe to this video. A few weeks ago, I made an unboxing my Gucci slides video. A lot of people were commenting like, well, how did they feel on you? And I realized that my review wasn't good. So here I am doing another review, my third video on Gucci slides.
Oh my god, let it go. Gucci slides aren't even in anymore.
I'm new to this whole review thing. Don't hate me. Please don't hate me. Just subscribe and follow my journey on me getting better at it. So the first thing that I have to say, when it's hot, when it's humid out, when your feet are sweating, and I know you're probably like, why would your feet be sweating in flip-flops? Like, aren't they airing out? This band right here is the worst thing that happened to Gucci slides. When it's hot and humid out, your feet start sweating right here, itching because of the sweat in the band, and it's so hot in the rubber, and it honestly leaves blisters on my foot. They're not like disgusting, huge, bloody blisters, but that's because I know not to wear Gucci slides for more than a certain amount of hours. I know not to wear Gucci slides if I'm going on a walk. The sole of the shoe is actually comfortable. It's not like, oh my gosh, this is the most comfortable thing ever. It might be that thing when you spend money on something, you're like justifying your purchase and you're like, well, it's not that bad. The sole is pretty comfortable. It's not like the best thing on earth, but it is comfortable. I like how the sole is black. If the sole was white, game over. It would be disgusting, dirty, it would look cheap. It doesn't look like the bottom is worn that much, which is good, but my band is all messed up. I bought a color in white. This is gonna look so good. This is the one that I like the most online. Looking back on it, I regret it. I will take pictures and show you how dirty they are. They are pretty dirty for me not wearing them that much. It shouldn't have dirt all over the band. Like, maybe I get it here because you're walking, the grass is rubbing up against it, but there's dirt all along here. On top of that, if you try rubbing it off, it honestly rubs off like an eraser. Pieces of the rubber are rubbing off like it's literally an eraser. What person at Gucci was like, let's make slides out of erasers and rip those people off? I just tried washing the Gucci slides to see if the dirt would come off, and looks the same. The dirt is still on it, and I look like trash, and I am trash for buying these slides. Okay. My friend also has Gucci slides. He let me borrow them for this video. He has a size 12, so they're pretty big, but his, he got them around the same time that I did, and his bands are in a lot better shape than my band. I think it's just the material of it. This material is like a rubbery material, like a canvas material. You can see it's material, it's not rubber. He says that he does also, like, it gets blistery and whatever, and especially here it feels hard. In conclusion, Gucci slides are a lot of money, they give you blisters, and if you get the white ones, they'll be dirty AF. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel because I make videos every single Thursday. I'm trying to figure out what kind of videos I want to make. I know you're probably like, what the heck, you make videos of all different kinds and you're so random and you're so weird and I don't know if I want to subscribe to you. Oh my god, I almost died. Just subscribe to me. I am going to find my path on YouTube. Woo! Okay, love you.
Gucci
Bye.
gang, Gucci 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 gang.